I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Jio phone to Wi-Fi. First, navigate to your phone's main menu and find the Settings icon. Tap on it to open the settings. Within the settings, scroll down until you see the Wi-Fi option. Select this option and then toggle the Wi-Fi switch to the on position. This prepares your device to find available networks, making it ready for the next step. Once Wi-Fi is enabled, your Jio phone will automatically begin scanning for nearby wireless networks. A list of available networks will appear on your screen. Carefully review this list and select the name of your home or office Wi-Fi network. It is crucial to pick the correct one to avoid connection issues. Double-check the network name before proceeding. After selecting your network, a prompt will appear asking for the Wi-Fi password. This is often found on a sticker on your router. Type the password carefully, paying close attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, as passwords are case-sensitive. A single incorrect character will prevent connection. Take a moment to confirm your entry before moving forward. With the password entered, tap the Connect button. Your Jio phone will attempt to establish a connection. Look for a small Wi-Fi icon, usually in the top right corner of your screen, indicating a successful connection. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your Jio phone or your Wi-Fi router. This often resolves minor connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.